Hi guys, welcome back to Success channel. So today I am going to explain about tuples. So it can hold different data types and values. Okay, and tuples allows duplicate values and cannot modify. Means that is the immutable. Immutable means it cannot modify, it cannot update. That is the immutable. So but it can allow the duplicate values. So for example, I will show demo. It can accept, it can hold different data types and values. Means demo tuple 1 2 3. This is the integer. Demo Delhi USA. This is the string variables. Okay, so it can hold different data types and values also, like that. So even output also true and Delhi 23 26. Print demo type 2 equal to 0 means it will return output equal to Delhi. So okay, I think you understood this tuple topic. So if you like this video, you can watch and you can share your friends, and please subscribe this Success channel. Thank you.